Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing the BoxyCharm month of March of Fenty box. And mine was sent to me a little late because there was a mix-up in the mail, but I'll get more into that later. So I'll see you guys in the video. Alright, hey guys. Alright, so I got the premium box for BoxyCharm's month of March. It was the Fenty collab. And unfortunately, I got my neighbor's, and mine was just MIA. So with all the problems I've had with it, it wasn't surprising to me at all. But with all the things going on, I chose to cancel all subscription boxes until further notice, just so that way financially I'm a little bit more at ease with things, just because it's very uncertain right now. And just because I was really tired of all the issues. So, getting into the box, the inside of the box is actually quite neat. So if you can see, I don't know if you can, just stick it from me. So the inside of the box, it's kind of got this like art design over here. It says BoxyCharm and Fenty Beauty right there. So immediately that's kind of striking to me. I do like the little details that they put for that. Everything is wrapped into the foam that they normally use. Unfortunately, when they put the box together, it's like they threw it together because my card is worse for wear. So I know a lot of different channels, they seem to have that problem where BoxyCharm specifically, for whatever reason, looks like they went through a situation and have a story to tell, because yeah, they don't look necessarily all put together. But the very first item I see in here is the palette. Now there is a slight damage on the box, so hopefully that does not reflect into the damage is right here in the corner. Into the palette, but let's open it up and find out. It does slide out very smooth. It has an internal box in there as well, so that might be promising for me. The outside of the palette right here is very nice. I don't know if you can pick this up on camera, but it has a plume of what looks like makeup being tossed into the air, or maybe even like those powdered dyes they use for festivals. But it's very, very sleek. It does leave a lot of fingerprints, so if that drives you crazy, you're just going to have to wipe it off a little bit more often. The colors are on the back. It is the Moroccan spice, so that's kind of what I was thinking about, is the Moroccan festivals. If I could learn how to open this box, that'd be great. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it does have a little plastic thing in here, like most of them are supposed to come with. It doesn't have one for the mirror, but all of the shadows are intact. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, all of the shadows are intact. Now, going from top to bottom, starting with this one over here, we got the Moroccan Ice, and going straight across over to this side, we have the Mirage, the Casablanca, the Marrakesh, we have the Shusha Smoke, Sahara Santana, Quicksand, Desert Bake is the entire next row down. The next row after that is Evil Genie, Fez Up, Saffron, Come and Get It. The next row down from here is going to be Sock It To Me, Nuts These Dates, Hennessy, and Spice Trip. So that's all of the bottom ones down here. So they are very pretty. They look very nice. There are quite a bit of mattes in here, quite a bit of shimmery looking ones in here. One might be even a glitter. But all in all, I think that it survived its trip and it's very pretty. I'll get quite a bit of use out of that. The lipstick I got is in the shade Single, so it's the outside of the box. That's the color. If I can figure it out. There we go. That's cute. So all of them have her traditional like hexagon style packaging. I don't think any of this types of packaging is going to be magnetic necessarily, because I know some of them are supposed to be. But then it opens up like this. And then the color is right here on that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have an FB printed onto the top there. But it does close very securely. Like, you got to give it a little effort to... So it won't be opening up in like your purse or anything like that. So that's going to be nice. Alright, the next item in the box we have is Gloss Bomb. And it is in Diamond Milk. Okay, very nice, very pretty. This is the gloss right here. And since I need some, we'll try it on. It is quite thick. It's nice though. It's very smooth. Gives you very, very shiny lips. And it has a nice little smell to it, so that's very pretty. Okay, the next one we have is called Invisimatte. It is blotting paper. Oh, it looks like it's a little contraption in there. Let's see. Oh, yes. So it comes like this outside of the packaging, a little mirror and everything like that. The paper's on the bottom where my thumb is. Let's see if I can open it. Why do I have such a hard time with these? Yay! Thank you. Okay, so here's the blotting paper. It comes in this little roll. And then it looks like you just open it up. Yep. You open it up, and then on the inside, it looks like there's no room in there. But you pull it open, and you stick your little blotting paper inside the little hole right there. See it jiggling around? And then you would pull up a piece, close that down, and then you would have, it has serration here, kind of like you would saran wrap or tinfoil. And then when you close this down and the paper sticks out, you just... But I'm going to keep it all wrapped up in there because I don't think I'm going to need it right now. I'll save it for when it gets hotter. Alright, next item we have in here is the match stick. It's a shimmer stick. Oh, I was kind of hoping they would do contouring sticks. I know these ones are supposed to be magnetic. So this is the packaging for the matchsticks. I know if you get a bunch of them, they like all stick together. You open it up right here, and you can see that it's got a gold color to it. Right there. Now I have seen on a lot of videos where you do have to apply this like to your hand first before you apply it to your face, because it will rub off your makeup, because for whatever reason it's not made super softly like the other ones are supposed to be. But you know, you could fiddle around with it all day long, I guess. Box in there. Box in there. Alright, last item we have, which looks like it got stomped on, is their Kilowatt highlighter. Now I have looked on Rihanna's Fenty page, and there are more than just the Kilowatt, because I was wondering if there was more colors. And there's like a white one, I think, and a red one for sure. But that one also comes with little plastic protector, but that is the Kilowatt there. It's very pretty, very shiny. I know that's what she's like known for, her trophy wife color. That is the actual color for this. It is a freestyle highlighter. So yeah. But yeah, for this it's quite nice. All of her products that can be printed like this have the FB. I know it's upside down, but just trying to get you guys a good show for it. To give this one a little bit of a swatch here, just because I'm really curious. So with that, you just, yeah, it is super, super shiny there. And it looks like a little bit goes a long way, because I barely touched that at all. When you do spread it out, it is quite glittery. It does dim down the shine in one specific spot a little bit. You can see my whole hand is shiny now, but it is glittery. It looks like someone just threw glitter at you. but it is very pretty. So if you put it in the right place, maybe use it as an eyeshadow, then it will look fantastic. But otherwise, I'm pretty sure you're just gonna look like Tinkerbell had a fight with you. So, alright, so that is it for the month of March Birchbox. I think all the items are very nice. I think they are very wonderful. I've always wanted to have Fenty Beauty products, so now I get a chance to try a little bit of them out. Maybe in the future I will get some more just on my own and be able to do reviews and what I think about them. So far I'm loving the gloss, especially since I woke up with very dry lips, so this is very nice. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Hopefully I can do more reviews on things coming in the near future and eventually get back into doing boxes. I'm thinking about, instead of doing BoxyCharm in the future, since I've had such problems with them, that trying out maybe a new subscription later, but that's still in the process of being figured out, so I will let you guys know when I come to that decision. But like, comment, and subscribe, and join me for the next video later. Bye!